Here we have a complete renovation of a home. First floor has been completely refigured. Kitchen, walls down. So the final phase would be the flooring, which we're going to do over here. It's Mannington Adura Swiss oak. Nice wood grain pattern. So it'll be all on this first floor. And we go to the second floor, which would be all 3 bedrooms, master, and 2 more bedrooms, and this outer hallway here. So this is getting ready for the install of the new Adura floor. And here we have the job well underway. This is the the first floor, where we're doing our install. We got the kitchen proper over here going in, just going around the island, going through the little hallway. And it's about just under 1,500 square feet of Mannington Adura Max. And then we proceed up to the second floor, which is completed. We have a hallway. We have 3 bedrooms. Customer's going to install a quarter round to finish it along the baseboards. Finish the moldings. So this is about 3/4 of the way done, and just one more day and this project will be completed. And here we have the completed project. Just under 1,500 square feet of Mannington Adura Max. Swiss oak, color is Nougat, and this light tan look throughout basically the whole first floor. Was all reconstructed, opened the whole place up. A beautiful kitchen going to be finished here. And we ran the material completely throughout the kitchen. Back entranceway, going into a powder room. And then on the complete second floor, we have 3 bedrooms. All looking beautiful. So this completes this project. 1,500 square feet of Adura. So if you want to see more videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery to see more installations of all other categories of flooring, vinyl, carpet. And while you're there in the YouTube channel, if you would please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.